from Mumbai, from 9XM, former Mumbai.
Hi.
How are you doing? You look fabulous.
You think so?
Yes,
Right
I
now?
do. And
Thank you.
I would want to know how important it is for an actress to have, the quintessential hot bod to get better roles.
Oh, to get better roles.
Get just acting offers because it's so driven by the way you look.
Um, See, I feel nowadays there are characters, and we are actually trying to fit into a character of. So, for example, for just looking at my roles only, for Urta Punjab, I had to lose a lot of weight because I was playing a particular character. For Shandar, I had to fit into a bikini and look desirable as a woman because I'm a girl. Or as a lady, I would say so. Not woman. But I don't really feel like you have to look. I feel it becomes boring to look a particular way the whole time. You have to change it up. That's why I feel it's important to create your own look when it comes to a character. You also have to be fortunate enough to get the different characters that you're playing. But people get bored seeing you the same way,
Right.
which is what I was saying earlier as well. That even for example, Katrina, you see all her songs, whether it's Chikni, Sheila, or Dhoom, she looks different in each song. She's still hot and she's still fit, but she's still different. So I'll give, so I think that is something that I hope to achieve in life if I get the opportunity, yes.
You've been doing really well, and we just heard of a film with Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
How thrilled are
Okay,
you?
let's keep the questions to fitness. We can ask you.
We'll
later.
talk-
No,
we'll
next-
talk
next
tomorrow.
time, next
BBM
time.
me.
Okay, and
What's
anybody
up?
else?
What's happening?
Okay, next.
Katrina,
Can you identify yourself,
Yeah,
please?
शिखा from Bollywood नजर. कटरीना, आलिया और सोफिया तीनों से जानना चाहेंगे कि आपका फिटनेस मंत्र क्या है और डाइट प्लान क्या होता है?
I think it's just dependent upon what you want to achieve. So for, like Alia was saying, for every role or for whatever your desired result is, I think Yasmin has always adapted it for me. So whether if you want to look a little more toned, or you want to look more athletic, or you want to look very thin for a role, or you just want to look like a normal, very it's kind of soft, like a woman. You don't want to have too much definition. I think accordingly, Yasmin has always changed that plan, whether it's Pilates or functional training, and kind of just slightly altered the way we eat, but pretty much trying to follow a sensible way of eating and just do the things we all know that are good for us.
Katrina, hi, Kat.
Wait,
Let her finish, please, guys.
yeah, Alia, what's your?
मेरा मंत्र बस एक ही है कि यास्मिन को फॉलो करो और खाना ठीक से खाओ पर most important is you have to feed yourself, you have to give yourself the right nutrition, right rest, and what Yasmin always says, you have to feel internally happy. अभी जैसे मैं खुश हूँ यहाँ पे because I'm happy with the way it's going. ऐसे छोड़ी रहूँगी then what's the point of working out every day when you're going to look like sorry, whatever, death. So you have to feel internally happy and positive, and that's I think what you can get at body image and its cult and shape.
Sophie?
मेरा मंत्र बहुत ही सिंपल है. मेरा ये मानना है कि फिटनेस इज़ अ लाइफस्टाइल, इट्स नॉट अ फैड. तो उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि सिर्फ आप महीने में 3-4 दिन वर्कआउट करो और फिर गायब हो जाओ और फिर वापस आके वर्कआउट करो. एंड आई थिंक अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे तो हमें बहुत सारी मार पड़ेगी यास्मिन से, तो वैसे ही हम उनसे डरते हैं. आई थिंक यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव अ स्टेडी लाइफस्टाइल, यू वर्क आउट रेगुलरली, ईट वेल, और जैसे कटरीना और आलिया ने कहा, अगर आपका कोई ऐसा सॉन्ग है या रोल है, then at that time you have to alter it a little bit. But I really believe if you're consistently fit, you'll never have to starve or do a crazy crash diet or work out like a mad person. It'll just be upping the level maybe 20-30%, but not going insane. And I think that's what Yasmin has taught us all.
Okay, now we're going to open it up to one last question.
Hi, Yasmin.
Who's that?
Yas-